Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. I'm in heaven.
Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm
Off the
finding it
instructor
hard
words.
to believe
Leader
we're
today
in
looks to be
heaven.
Peter Dixon in the front, followed closely behind by his co-worker Brian.
We're trained professionals, we're just kidding around.
Yeah, okay, so trained professionals, do you feel like you're not going anywhere?
I kind of, well, yes, we're sort of looking here.
Well, your sails look pretty well set, right? And our poor crew over there is looking for that mark that just fell off the bottom of your boat. And you just dragged halfway along the course.
Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in
Yeah, the
heaven.
wind coming from right now.
There.
Exactly.
That direction.
So, if you want to go to that mark,
Yeah.
right, which way should you point your hull?
At the...
Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven.
Oh yeah,
Great job. Great job.
Team Greentown's looking good. You guys are so tight right now. Adley, where's the wind?
The wind's coming from that way.
That way, right?
Baby, you're all that I want.
Right? How should your sails be set?
Let go of it.
75% of the way out. More.
Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven.
30 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start.
Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe
No pumping,
we're in
you
heaven.
Extra beers on board tonight. Yeah, it is against rules.
We're in heaven.
Now we have rules of the road. We should probably establish what exactly it means to be on starboard and port tack. When the wind, indicated by this arrow here, is coming from the top of the screen, and when it comes over the starboard side of your boat, that means that you are on starboard tack. However, when the wind is coming over the port side of the boat first, that means that you are on port tack. Now, more rules. A boat that is also on starboard, but is to leeward, further away from the wind than another boat, also has rights.
Baby, you're all
Team I's in the
that
lead
I
right now.
want.
Killing
When
the
you're
competition on
lying
starboard
here in
tack.
my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe
Girls are dominating.
we're
You
in
got Team I in
heaven.
first here. You got trained professionals in second. Greentowns, what's going on?
So you're probably sitting there wondering, what exactly am I talking about? Well, rights means that starboard and port. Rights means that starboard boat can go wherever they want, and port boat must move out of the way for them. So, they have to avoid the collision, the boat that's on port. Now, when you have two boats, one to leeward, one to windward, then in this case, the windward boat has to watch out for the leeward boat. Lastly, when you have sail, power, the power boat that's quick and nimble must get out of the way of the sailboat. Just like that.
Team A with the commanding lead, and their sails are not set properly to the wind.
When
No
you're
big deal.
lying here in my arms, I'm finding it.
And the girls in swiftly. That's the way it's done. Trained professionals. Green towns.
Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it
Just
hard
hold
to
the wind. All you
believe.
have to do, I see how right now you're backwinding your jib,
Oh, yeah.
and you're also full of water, which isn't helping. But we're just gonna ignore that right now. And so, put your tiller straight, and sit facing your sails, and then at least for sides. And then I see the luff of your main there, Dan. Yeah, pull it in. There you go. Now you got some wind. Perfect. Okay, now Adley, wait till you're through irons and switch the jib, okay?
Okay.
There you go.
Right over there.
Exactly. So let's see it. Also sit close to that black bar I showed you. There you go. And then always face the sail. So sit up and have Dan sit down.
Yeah, okay.
Beauty.
I'm gonna sit right in the center.
Yeah, well that's where I like to sit. Straddle that sucker.
That's what she said.